Have you ever tried to copy a large file onto your portable USB flash drive, or sometimes more commonly called your thumb drive, but you came across this error? Well, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to format your drive so that you don't have that problem. I just made a video on how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported computer by using a USB drive, and while attempting to copy the image file to the disk, I came to this error saying the file was too large, even though I knew I had enough space on it. And so I thought maybe I should make a video in case anyone else has the same problem and doesn't know what to do with it. And this fix I'm going to show you could be used for any type of larger file that you're attempting to copy to your flash drive. Real quick though, I want to welcome you to my channel, How To with Kevin, where of course I'm Kevin. I made this channel to share things that I've learned over the years that hopefully will help you do them as well, and maybe even a little easier. I like learning and figuring out how to do all kinds of DIY projects for myself, so if that's you, and you end up finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and helping it grow. After all, subscribing is free and it'll let me know to make more videos on topics like this one. Alright, so you tend to have the problem of the file not copying to your USB drive when the file you're trying to copy is larger than 4 gigabytes. The issue is most likely caused by how your portable thumb drive is formatted, even though you know that the drive is big enough to hold that file. To confirm that, if you go to the properties of the drive, most likely you'll see that it is using the FAT32 system, which I'll just call the FAT32 format. This type of formatting worked fine when the capacity of these drives were much smaller, but as bigger drives are starting to be made, we started seeing this problem. Luckily, it's a super easy fix. But to do that, we'll erase any files you currently have on the USB drive, so definitely make sure you back those files up before you start. Again, just to repeat, you'll lose your files when you reformat the drive, so you need to back them up on your computer or another flash drive if you don't want to lose them. Okay, so what you need to do is right-click on the drive and select Format. From here, you could reformat into FAT32, which we don't want to do, otherwise we'll have the same problem. But as you can see, you'll have a couple of other choices. If you're working with files to use on an older computer with older versions of Windows, you'll probably want to select the NFTS option, which is what I'm going to use here. The other format, EXFAT or exFAT, is newer and also works better with non-Windows computers like Macs or Linux, so if you have one of those types of computers, you would want to select that option. Anyway, after you set your option, click Start and just wait for a short time until you get the notification that the formatting is complete. Once you get that, you can then paste the file you were trying to copy, and as you can see here, it's working. No error message this time. So obviously this was a really short and sweet fix. Alright, I hope you found this short video helpful, and if you did, please like it. And if you enjoyed doing a variety of DIY projects, definitely consider subscribing. I'd love to have you on board, as I could really use your help in growing this new channel. And if you're also interested in investing in financial types of videos, check out my first channel, Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise. I'll link it for you in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.